Opel Vivaro, Nissan I think is also, and Renault Traffic is same. Glow plugs. Location is one plug connector is here, and this plugs is here. Another one and one more there. So if you want to change glow plugs, it's from this side. Glow plug relay is located here. This one. I have disconnected glow plug connector and connected one to minus, set on ohm, and now gonna check plug. This contacted, this, and this. So first one 2.2 is okay. Second one 35 is bad. Third one, it's also quite good. And number 4 1.6 is also good. First, why is same, just was bad contact. So all plugs is good, just second one is bad. Must be about 2 ohms. So first plug, second, third, and number 4. Now second. Now which one second I am not sure, but must be, I think, this one, because this one is first one, something like that. But this I'm not sure. Must disconnect connector and then check from here. But anyway, glow plugs location and glow plug relay location. See you next time.